Just got done watching the Star Trek Prodigy series, currently on Netflix. 20 episodes. It came out in 2021. It's a fantasy, sci-fi, yeah. It's just about some youngsters who escape a situation where they're enslaved and imprisoned, and their lives wind up crossing paths with the whole Star Trek people and crew and Starfleet. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So out of the 20 episodes, there was really only one episode that I didn't enjoy.
Yeah, same. All of them I enjoyed except one.
The rest of them I thought was really interesting. I liked the different characters that they created. The personalities were a lot of fun and really easy to connect with.
Mm-hmm.
I could see any age person. It says TVY7, but honestly, really, I could see any age being okay with watching this and not having, it being too scary or too gory or too off-putting for a youngster.
Mm-hmm. No, not at all. Not scary enough or anything. No.
I think a little kid
not
can handle it just fine.
Not even the characters in it aren't. They're not going to be any scary characters. I remember.
It is
robot. I mean,
yeah, it is an animated series. So if you're into sci-fi and you don't mind animated series, or you like animation, this is something I'd say definitely catch for sure.
Oh yeah, and the first season has 20 episodes. They're about to release in 2024 the season 2, another 20 episodes. So
yeah, we'll be reviewing that after we binge watch those.
Yeah, when it comes out.
But yeah, I was really happy with it. And this is actually something I wouldn't mind having on in the background, watching, as a background show.
Mm-hmm.
It was that good. Definitely would recommend it. If you've ever seen Star Trek Prodigy, let me know what you thought of it down below. I'll look and see if I can find any kind of link. If I can, I'll pin it. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next review.